In front of me is OPPO A16S, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Permission Manager on this device. Begin by opening Settings. In them you need to scroll down and click on Privacy section. Then select Permission Manager over here and tap on one of your device's options, like for example, microphone. Over here, select one of your apps, in my case Google, and click on one of those options. Allow only when using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with don't allow, so in this case, I need to choose don't allow anyway in the pop-up. And then select the back button. As you can see, after that, Google no longer has access to my device's microphone. But you can always go back, select any feature and look for an app that you are interested in. For example, I will go into Location to manage my Chrome. Now you need to scroll all the way down over here and click on See All Chrome Permissions. Then manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!